The holidays are fast approaching and the kids will be around. If you want to create some bonding time with your children, then you should be trying out this sugar cookies recipe. It's a fun activity with the kids. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my simple 4-ingredient sugar cookies recipe. For this recipe, we use margarine or butter, anyone works. Icing sugar. If you do not have icing sugar, just pop your regular sugar into your blender and blend it to this fine smooth consistency and we're good to go. Then 1 egg and all-purpose flour. Next, you are going to pour the margarine or butter into your mixing bowl, adding the sugar, and we're going to mix. You do not need any sophisticated gadgets for this. If you do not have an hand mixer, that's totally fine. Get a whisk or spatula or turning stick or any gadget that you can get in your kitchen. Use it to mix it for about 7 minutes thereabouts. Make sure that you are scraping your bowl at intervals so that everything can be completely mixed. Next up, breaking the egg into the butter and sugar mixture and you give it a good mix. Next, the flour goes into the batter. Give this a good mix and incorporate all the flour to form a perfect dough. Like everything should be well incorporated. Add in vanilla flavor and give it a good mix as well. Once the flour is fully incorporated and you have a perfect dough, you're going to get a cling film and you're going to be placing this dough inside it. Then you take it right into the refrigerator to rest for about 2 hours. This makes sure that your dough is fully set and is holding firm by the time you are ready to cut it into shapes and it's not all going to be sticky and messy. Once the dough is out of the fridge, you are going to get a parchment paper and place the dough in between 2 parchment paper, just like I've done here. Then using a rolling pin, you're going to roll it flat. You make sure that it's not too thin and it's not too thick, so that by the time you are baking, it bakes evenly. So like that. If you don't have a rolling pin, that's also fine. You can get a wine bottle or a soft drink bottle, any bottle around you. You can use it as your rolling pin. Here is the fun part. Give your children these cookie cutters and let them do it themselves. Just make sure that you press the cutter into the dough and you have the perfect shape that you've used. Repeat the process and you're good to go. If your dough is still chilled, it's going to be sticking to the cookie cutter, and that's very nice because you just push it down into your baking tray. Make sure that your baking tray is lined with parchment paper so that your cookie comes out perfectly when they are done from the oven. So you're going to be baking at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. The cookies are ready, evenly baked, not too dry and not too soft. If you want it to be brown, you can leave it in the oven for some few minutes more, but I prefer it this way. Here is what the base looks like. See that? Beautiful, isn't it? I'm sure your kids will enjoy this activity so much. Bonding time is going to be so enjoyable with them. Using an airtight container like this, we're going to be storing these cookies in these jars, because if you do not store them in jars, they are going to go soft, and you want your cookies to remain fresh, like they are fresh out of the oven. So these jars come in handy. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be the first to know when I share new recipes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.